Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So far we have complete admin login, user authentication system, right? Login and registration. So now we'll do admin dashboard part. Let's say now admin can actually add menu items. So you can see we have create a table, right? Menu item. We have to create more columns. So in this video actually I'm going to show you how admin can add menu items and can view all the items. So I will actually break the video in multiple parts because the video will be very long, and we'll actually try to make it not more than 10 minutes. Okay, so that's why actually I will divide the video into multiple parts. So at first I will actually do design part for the display and adding menu items. Okay, so I will actually do design for the menu items adding and display. First of all, actually I'm going to design the form. Admin can actually add it, right? Okay, so before that actually I'm going to create admin panel. Okay, so you can see we have admin dashboard. So now let's design admin dashboard. We can actually do this later, not a big deal, but okay, let's say design it. Okay, at first, so I will remove it, and I will actually say here that HTML. I will say that admin underscore dashboard board. Okay, and I will do style here. So I will write style tag here, and inside it we will actually do style. And in the body, let's say I want a header and a sidebar, or let's say I need a sidebar also, right? Okay, so I need a header and sidebar. So let's create a div at first, and let's make it header. So I'm going to create a class and let's name it header, or I can say here main div. All right, and here I want to create two different div. Okay, one is class, let's say head or header, and another div is for sidebar, or I can set it here div. Let's say we have header, we have sidebar. All right, so now let's go for the header. So at first I want to say here that okay, just a simple text that this is header, and I will go here and I will do style for it. So I will say header, sorry, dot header, right? Because I need to mention the class name, that is header. And I want to set padding for this header, let's say 30 pixel, and I want to set a background color, let's say black, and the text color, let's say white. Now let's go and check. I will go here and I will refresh. Now you can see we got a top bar, right? Okay, this is header. Okay, and actually I want to set here universal sign that okay, I want initially padding and margin 0 for all the items. Refresh. Okay, so this is the header. All right, and now we need what I need here is one thing I can do. So this is the sidebar. All right, actually I don't need to use this div, so let me just remove it. Okay, this div from here. Okay, and I actually want to remove space. All right, so we have a header, we have a sidebar, and that's it. So this is the header, and now we have a sidebar. So I will access the class dot sidebar, let's say, and I want to set the position fixed, top, let's say 0. All right, and here I want to set that position fixed, top 0, let's say height 100%, and I want a specific width of, let's say, 30%. Let's check. Okay, I have to actually set background color to okay, let's black here, and I want to set color for the text white. Now go here, refresh. Okay, so 30% is more, and I can actually reduce the size, so maybe 20%. Refresh. Okay, all right, so we have this. And now here in the sidebar, actually I'm going to say okay, I want to give, I mean, use here some links. So I will say anchor tag. Here I will say admin dash board. Refresh. You can see we have admin dashboard here, and I can go there and I can say that okay, dot sidebar anchor tags text decoration none, display as log. Okay, and I want some padding of, let's say, 10 pixel, margin, let's say 0. Refresh. So we have admin dashboard here. I can set the border. Let's say I want to actually set a border, so I'll say border 1 pixel solid white or blue. Okay, refresh. So you got a border here. And all right, we have admin dashboard. So I want to set width 100%, text align, or I can say here for the sidebar text, I want to set text align center. Refresh. So now they are in center, and I want okay, all right, so I will say here padding 10 pixel, and I want to say here that okay, if I hover on it, sidebar anchor text hover, I want to change the background color to white, not really, let's say blue. Refresh. Now you can see when I hover on it, it actually changed the color. So I think I should remove the width. Refresh. Now you can see it's all right. Okay, when I hover, the text color is changing, and one thing is I have to change the color white here. Refresh. We have admin dashboard, right? You can actually click here and it will actually redirect to the same page. Okay, so I will go here and I will say that okay, if you click on admin dashboard, it will actually go to the same page. So it will go to the admin dashboard.php. okay, refresh, click. Now it is in admin dashboard.php. Here actually I want to set one more anchor tag, so I will actually remove this and I will say anchor tag, and here let me just say here that log out. Okay, and I want to set a class. Okay, so I will go here and I will say that okay, header anchor tag. So I will say dot head here, header anchor tag text decoration, text align, not text align, actually text decoration, right? Text decoration none, and I will say color white, and I want to set the text align right. Refresh. Now you can see we have a log out button here. Okay, and actually I want to set width and height for it, so I will say padding, let's say 30 pixel, and I want, let's say 20 pixel, and I want to set a background color of red. Refresh. Okay, now you can see we have a nice logout button here. Okay, and let's say I want to add items, right? So I will create a new file for the add item. So we'll actually do this. Let me just complete this project at first. So here I will create one more div. So this is the sidebar, and actually I'm going to create a div, and the div will be plus main. So this is the main div, and here let's say I want to add a paragraph lorem. Okay, so now if I refresh, now you can see we got here. Okay, So I will actually say here that okay, the main class, let's go and do style for the main class. So I will say here dot main position, let's say I don't need to set here position. I will say that margin left, let's say 300 pixel. Refresh. All right, that's it. And I want to actually set margin top also, so I will say margin top, let's say 20 pixel. Okay, so this is the main part. And now so this is our admin panel, right? So let's add some anchor link here. So in the admin dashboard, we have admin dashboard. Now let's go for the new one, and that would be anchor tag. And here I will say that okay, it will actually go for the menu items, add menu, let's say add menu underscore items. We'll add view menu items, okay. And now let's go here and refresh. Now you can see we have add menu items, view menu items. Okay, admin dashboard. Oh, actually I want to create here more space. I want to say here that okay, padding of padding, let's say 10 padding 10 pixel. Okay, no problem. I want to say here padding top and padding bottom, let's say okay. I can say here that padding of, let's say top and bottom, let's say 30 pixel, and sorry, and left and right, let's say 10 pixel. Refresh. Okay, all right, now it's working perfectly. Add menu items, admin dashboard, add menu items, add view menu items. Okay, so now we'll actually create all the different pages, and we'll actually give the link here in the reference section. So our admin dashboard is completely done. Okay, so I'll actually stop the video here because I want to create separate video, otherwise the video will be very long. So in our next video we will actually show you how admin can add items in the database. Okay, so see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.